Hey, Perfect Spirit. I hope you're doing well. I'm Sam with Head Trash Anonymous. Today we're going to talk about meditation, an introduction to meditation with a simple meditation practice. So, when I was very sick, I didn't have any idea of meditation, and I never even had a meditation teacher. And not having a meditation teacher was the greatest benefit for me because I was dealing with OCD. If you told me there was rules to meditation, I've been so focused on the rules, I would still be stuck in the mind and probably still dealing with my ailments. But by letting go of all the rules, all the restrictions, and just focus on being here. Meditation is really about learning to be here in this moment, or maybe even mindfulness, as you can group into that as well. So it doesn't matter how you're holding your hands, doesn't matter how you're breathing, doesn't matter how you're sitting, your posture, it doesn't matter. The only thing I have to say with that though, if you meditate and you'll fall asleep, then that's the wrong posture for you. This is a little advanced, but when you fall asleep, it's really the mind's defense mechanism because it doesn't want to give up control. Meditation is also about taking control back from the mind. The mind's always lost in the stories, the beliefs, the opinions, anything that's keeping you out of this moment. To realize we're either in the thoughts, beliefs, ideas, or we're aware of this moment that we're sitting, that we're listening, our feet are on the floor. So meditation is just about relaxation, sitting still, being quiet. And we'll do a practice so you can see how this actually works. Because 5 minutes a day made a huge difference in my life. And it can even be 1 minute, 3 minute. It's just a matter of getting control back from the mind because it's leading you astray. Just coming back into this moment. It's very simple. So we won't let go of any rules, any restrictions, just being mindful. If I'm falling asleep, this is the wrong posture for me. That's it. So then we'll do a simple practice here because we learn by doing. Let go of the theory and just have the actual direct experience. So we'll meditate for a few minutes. Like I said, I began with 5 minutes a day. And within a few months, I knew I was not my thoughts. Thoughts were not facts. So all those beliefs that I wasn't good enough, that I wasn't deserving, that I wasn't worthy, it's all nonsense. It's all head trash. We want to let all that go. And that's what meditation is for, letting all that stuff go and realizing who we are outside of thoughts, beliefs, opinions, concepts, letting all that stuff go. So let's relax into a simple practice that will last a few minutes. So we simply suggest closing your eyes to remove those external stimulations. Or if you want a more advanced practice, if you will, you can have your eyes open. There are no rules. Just do what feels right to you. So we're just sitting here. There's no right way to sit, breathe, hold your hands. Posture is not important unless you're falling asleep. We just want to stay awake, to stay aware of this moment. So we're just sitting here relaxing. If the mind gets busy into thoughts, the day, what's coming tomorrow, the plans, just ask yourself, listen to the voice. Where are my feet? Where are my hands? Where is my breath? Just become aware of this moment. That's all that's required of us, is to be aware of this moment. And why do we want to be aware of this moment? It's because when we're here, present in this moment, it is the power of now. The point of power is always in the present moment. And if we're lost in thoughts, beliefs, worry, anxiety, we're not aware of this moment. We're not aware that we are sitting, feet on the floor. Listen to the sounds around you. We just simply notice when the mind is busy. We don't judge, we don't condemn. We just bring our attention back to this moment. What do you hear? Where are you sitting? Where are your feet? Where are your hands? Or maybe place your hands on your belly and feel the rise and fall with your breath. Just find that way that works for you. To take back control from the mind. See, mind is busy. Come back to this moment. Let go of any judgment, criticism, expectations, demands. Don't demand the mind to be quiet. The mind does what the mind does. But you are beyond the mind. You are the consciousness, the spirit, the soul, whatever you wish to call it. This true essence, your true self, is you. If this makes no sense, look at photographs from when you're a baby, to a child, to a teenager, to an adult, with all these changing bodies. Where did you go? The one who sees through the eyes has never changed and is always here, regardless if we're aware of our presence or not. So we're simply putting gaps into the thought stream to be in a place of peace, of contentment, letting go of the mind. If you only come back to this moment once during this practice, that's perfect. The more gaps you can put into the thought stream, the more peace. That meditation is a cumulative practice. You don't want to do it here and there. You want to do it every day, whether it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. But you don't want to meditate to the point where you can no longer bring your attention back. Once you see yourself, you're lost in thoughts, and you can't break being lost in thoughts. End the practice. Do something else. Sitting here fighting the mind is not productive. So maybe you convert to a walking meditation. What do you see? Where are your feet? What do you hear? Once again, just bring your attention out of the mind and into this moment. That's all that's required of you. Just sit here quietly, nothing to do, nothing to accomplish, letting it all go. So now we want to open our eyes, maybe stretch out, and realize, I'm aware that I'm alive. All is well. Take good care.